Hello guys, and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I have brought to you another opportunity to start your Forex journey without having to deposit any of your money, where I will be showing you a step-by-step process on how you can get a $50 no deposit bonus that you can start trading with. But before I continue, just to show as a means of appreciation, I would love you to like this video, share it with your friends so that they can also benefit from it, and most importantly, subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can be updated when I drop videos relating to how you can make money online, and so that it can keep me motivated to drop videos like this for you guys. And also drop a comment below of the country you are watching from so that I can drop videos that is for you guys. So without any further ado, let's dive in. So to get this bonus is actually very easy, and this is going to be one of my shortest video on this platform. I'll be recording this video as soon as I can and as fast as I can, just so that you guys can get it very quickly. Alright, so one thing you have to do for me right now is to make sure you watch this video to the very end so that you don't miss out on this wonderful opportunity. Alright, so first things first, go to the description menu or go to the pinned comment section. You are going to find the link to this bonus there, and also you'll find the link to my free Telegram channel where I drop daily signals and updates about all this no deposit bonus that I drop on my channel. And also I'll be holding a free WhatsApp Forex class very soon, so the link will also be there. So just click on the link and it's going to take you to a page like this. And after getting to this page, all you just have to do is to click on claim now, and it's going to redirect you to a page like this. And you know the drill, just input your details, your username, your name, your password, your email address, and other required information. So after that, click on continue, and they are going to send the pin to your Gmail, so you have to verify your Gmail. After that, it's going to take you to their home page. So after getting to their home page, all you just have to do is to verify your profile. As you can see on the screen, my profile has not been verified, right? And the reason is that I'm in a haste to make this video so that you guys can benefit from it, but I'm already waiting for my profile to be verified. So after your profile has been verified, all you just have to do is to message their support and tell them that you want to get the $50 no deposit bonus that they are offering on their page. So after messaging their support, you wait patiently for them to reply to your message via Gmail. You are going to get your login details to your MT4 or MT5 and start your Forex journey with the $50 no deposit bonus, and also request for the terms and conditions from them, or you join the free Telegram channel because I'll be dropping the terms and conditions on the channel. Alright, thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can get notified when I drop videos relating to how you can make money online, and also to show as a means of appreciation.